Welcome to Newfies-Dialer. Today we're going to look at inbound campaigns. This is where someone calls you rather than making calls to your contacts. Inbound campaigns can be used as a destination for contacts who have had a missed call as a result of your outbound calls, for voting lines, inbound surveys, or market research, and for skills-based routing. Your Newfies-Dialer system has to be enabled for inbound calling. We will need some details about your DID provider. Once your system is enabled, you can add new DID in the admin screen and assign these to your tenants. Click Applications, then DID, then add the DID as it is delivered to you, then assign it to one of your users. Each tenant can have one or more telephone numbers or DID assigned to them for different inbound campaigns. In the customer screens, you will see the DID or telephone number assigned. Telephone numbers are pointed to the tenant, then the tenant can assign them to their inbound campaign. Now move on to adding an inbound campaign. By default, the system assigns a name. The max call duration defaults to 800 seconds or 30 minutes. In the Application section under Route, this is where you select the route of the call when the DID is called. In this case, we're going to choose Play IVR. Simply select the application or survey to use which you created earlier in the survey section. You can set the schedule of when the inbound campaign is available for calls and the message to play out of hours. The Extras tab includes settings such as voice recordings and the SMS gateway to use. Now save. Once you have created your inbound campaign, you need to point the DID to it. Edit the DID and select the campaign to use. Now go back to your inbound campaign and activate it. You will see that the DID used with this campaign is listed, the campaign is ready for calls, and the live statistics against the campaign will show live calls and accumulated totals. There are other options for inbound campaigns such as direct transfer and play audio or text-to-speech, which can be configured quickly and easily in the campaign. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you have any questions or need support on Newfies-Dialer.